Hello, today I'm going to show you how to save zucchini seeds, and your first step is to let a zucchini on your zucchini bush, don't pick it and let it grow really big. And leave that zucchini fruit for as long as you can on the zucchini plant. I've left that one there for several months, and that gives it the seeds inside the zucchini fruit the best chance of maturing and growing into some nice sort of plump seeds that will germinate successfully when they're planted out next season or in the next few seasons. So so you can see there that fruit has gone sort of a browny colour now. It's changed from the green to more of a browny green. Okay, so it's time to pick this zucchini fruit, cut it off, and pick up the zucchini fruit. It's nice and hard. The skin's gone quite hard. It's a nice shaped fruit. Okay, now it's time to cut open this zucchini fruit, to slice it in half. And if you're doing this at home, be careful if you're using a knife that you don't cut yourself or hurt yourself with the knife. And just break it open. Break it open to reveal the seeds that are inside the fruit. Okay, so inside the middle section of the zucchini is where all the seeds are. There's lots of nice big fat plump seeds. So just scoop out the seeds with the pulp and put that on some sort of a dish where you can sort them and dry them. Yep, so scoop out all the pulp. You can do that with a spoon if you like, or your fingers, and scoop out all the pulp that contains all the seeds. Then it's just a matter of going through that pulp and extracting all your seeds and pushing all the pulp to one side. Okay, get rid of all the old pulp, throw that away, and then you're just left with pretty well just all the seeds is what you're left with. Get rid of the rest of that pulp, and that'll leave just the seeds behind. Okay, so I noticed with those seeds that there's some nice plump seeds in there which will germinate, but some of the seeds actually have started to germinate inside the zucchini, so I don't think they're going to be much good, which probably means that I may have left that zucchini for too long, sitting in the ground there, or sitting on the plant for too long. So anyway, but at least I've got a good number, maybe at least 20, I'd say, nice plump seeds that I can grow next season and the next few seasons. Okay, there we go. There's some nice dry seeds there in my fingers there at the bottom of the video. So yeah, there we go, nice plump zucchini seeds, and I'm pretty sure that nearly all of those will germinate once I plant them, but only plant one or two at a time. But yeah, there's enough there. There's probably a good 20 seeds there, but enough for probably 3, 4, maybe even 5 seasons worth of growing zucchinis. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.